that bread, gotta prepare, cause the devil, he be coming out, he be trying to scare ya.
There will never be another you. Ancient Dark Clay, y'all.
What's up, family? This is Ancient Dark Clay coming at you with another episode, like a video, something like that. Anyway, so if you're new here, please subscribe to Ancient Dark Clay. I'm not sure why I'm calling an episode, but it's one. I don't know. But thank you all for just coming and watching my video. I do have my monthly schedule planned, and y'all, it's lit because week 1 we have our devotional, our Christian lifestyle videos. Week 2 we have our life skill videos. Week 3 we have our DIYs. Week 4 we have, which is this week, we have our natural hair, and every other week is like a week 5. And for week 5 we have our random. So I'm doing reviews on technology. I'm doing reviews on like my subscriptions. I'm doing challenges. Like, it's lit. Like, but overall, I'm a college student. I'm getting my master's right now. So you know what I'm saying. So all of that is tied into my videos. Being able to save, being able to invest, being able to live, buy things that's affordable. But today we have a video with the review on hair wax, and I'm excited. Like, are you guys excited? And if this your 5th video watching a hair wax video, like, guys, if this your 5th video watching hair wax video, you need to get your hair wax. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. It came in this little pretty box. I believe it's an Asian company. And then I got this for, I believe, $6.57, around that. It was no more than $7. It came just in time. So if you can see that, it's the hair coloring material. My fog did not. Don't make me pronounce this. I'm not gonna do that. But this video is lit because this is not all. So I was on my Facebook, and you know how they got those ads nowadays on Facebook? I don't know where that came from, but it's there. And L'Oreal popped up, and they have a 1-day coloring, temporary color thing. So I was like, let me do a review where I talk about both temporary color dyes, like Colorista hair makeup for brunettes and black hair 1-day color for tips and strands. It's in the blue 60. And I went into Walgreens, just what? It was in Walgreens, guys. $7.99. And I'm kind of disappointed at the amount, but maybe they own to something. So that's going to do today. It also has the instructions here. I'm not going to act like I know how to read this. I don't. So we're just going to part my hair and see how that goes. So right now I've been wearing a poof, trying to get away with this. First of all, I'm gonna need you to come out. Guys, I told you that we on a budget. This natural hair ain't no game. So I don't know if everybody else do this, but when I have a run in my tights, I'm cutting off the leg and I'm making this into a hair tie. This is a stocking leg, and it's so stretchable. It's affordable. Go ahead, do not throw away your run tights. Just cut off the leg and do what you gotta do. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna part my hair into 2 sections. The wax is gonna go on this side, and then the Colorista is gonna go on this side. So it's both in blue, so you can see how it's treated towards my head. So if you want to do this, you may want a styler. I just started using this, and that's all I'm going to put in my hair is I'm going to spray my hair with the water. And I'm going to use this Helada Body coconut shea and shea oil. It's a texture setting lotion. And I got this from Walmart for $2. But I'm so excited to see this and see how it's going. I've only been using this Helada Body product for probably once. So I'm trying to make this If it becomes a staple product, it becomes a staple product. It doesn't have any seal. And this smells good. It smells like Olay or something. And it's liquid. So we're just going to put it on my ends. See the blue, but I don't. Like, it's very subtle. It's very, very subtle. So I'm gonna leave some of my roots to be black, but I'm gonna make sure I'm trying to get this part as blue as, oh Jesus, as blue as possible. It's a good moisturizer. This boy almost gone. But you can see the definition. Pretty much, I'm almost done with this side because the product is almost done with me. So now we're gonna go to the other side and we're gonna do the wax. It smells like a man. It smells like Axe. Make sure you wrap it, roll it, twist it, comb it, go natural, go natural, Okay, well, we done with that. Hit coming soon, hit coming soon. So, just gonna grab some. This is really creamy. Hokey, this reminds me of that movie, The Fifth Element. Have you ever seen that movie before? Like, that's my movie. It was this lady and she was in blue. And I mean, like, her whole, I think she was like an alien or something. But she was fully blue and she came in, she was singing opera. She was like, but yeah, she was getting it. Like, that's my favorite part of the movie, low key. I just have hair everywhere. I have not. It's just the shedding, but that lady was so awesome. She's like, it's in me. Low key. I wanted to be her when I was low key. This blue. I can see the blue on this one way more than I can see the blue on the other one, but I feel like my hair is actually blue. Like, the difference I see is this one is not weighting down my hair at all. Like, it's not weighting down my hair. With this one, the blue, I feel like it's kind of different. It's more brighter, and it's weighing down my curls. So that's something I do see with the wax compared to the liquid Colorista. I low-key didn't read the instructions. Maybe I should have read. I never read the instructions to anything. After the net hair, take a small amount of mud in the palm of your circle rub to get gel. Maybe this is gel. No, this is wax. Because I see somebody order wax. But I'll meet back up with you all tomorrow, and we're gonna see the finished look. What's up, everybody? I am back, and it's time for the reveal. So,
somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Still wet. As you know, this is the side with the wax, but look how blue this side is. This side is where I put the Colorista, and the thing is, I did read the instructions and it said apply to dry hair, but I still don't really, I like the way my curls kind of show, but it is a little frizzy. Hear that? Like, this side is super dry, but the blue is really I'm going to diffuse this side. I didn't want to, but I'm going to see how this diffusion goes on this side. And let's see, I might just diffuse this side as well. So since a lot of blue is on this side, I'm just going to pull that over some so it can have a nice kind of like fall. And I'm going to just fluff it out on both sides. Let me see. How does it back look? Does it look ratchet? It look ratchet. Don't laugh. But that's what we're gonna do. Gorilla snot. I'm gonna apply it to my edges. And then I'm gonna take my handy dandy toothbrush. Just gonna swoop it. My toothbrush is blue. Okay. I'm blue. Okay. We both blue. Okay. I'm officially done, and some tips I would say is make sure you're not using a lot of product, and I may have used a lot of this product, but I have a lot left, so I don't know. Overall, if I were to choose both of these, I would say this one, because if I do my twist out on my wash and go right, I'm gonna have value on this. I would choose this just because of the color, but it did me so bogus. I get the consistency right and do this over, I'm gonna choose this regardless because of the color and it's so bright and vibrant. So something that's like horrid about this one of the Colorista is it's gone. I paid $7, $7 to $8, and it's gone. I'm gonna have to buy another one. With this one, I'm gonna have like 3 more applications of this. Thank you all for coming and watching my video. You know, coming back and seeing your girl. Subscribe if you haven't. Press the notification bell if you want new notifications. Every week when I post my video, it's sorry about my layout. My office is in reconstruction. I'm actually making a desk, so join me on the 2nd week of May and you'll be seeing me make my desk, and it's gonna be so beautiful. But other than that, thank you all. Have a blessed week and stay joyful in the Lord. And remember that this is Ancient Dark Clay, and there will never be another you.